All right, to join a group, it is first go to your modules, scroll to the open module. So in this case, my example, it's module 4, and the group discussion or group assignment would be posted. This case happens to be a group discussion. If I want to select a group, I can go here and it's going to have a group already assigned, but if I haven't found a group yet, I would click on People. And under People, I would select Groups. Under Groups, in this case, I'm going to have to scroll down and find an open group. You can see the locked groups means I can't join any of those. This class had a lot of group assignments. So I would scroll down until I find one that says open. I would read the description. If I wanted to know who was already in a group, this one has 2 students. So if I clicked on it, it would tell me these 2 students are in that group. And I could join that one, or I could go to a new one that has no students and I could join the Department of Commerce. I would click join and it would say, "Ooh, I'm there," and I could visit the home page where instructions are, or I can leave this. I can switch to a different group, but on the groups page, I'm going to see any announcements that have come up. So I'd go to announcements. I see that there is an announcement in there. If my group had given announcements, it would show there. And you will notice the other thing is on your dashboard now, it shows all the groups that you have joined. So in this case, I would go to navigation on the dashboard. It would show me all groups and the groups that I was in. If I want to go to that group, I simply select the group and I would go straight to the groups page. Okay, those are the instructions on how to switch a group or join a group. So use your people. Once you've joined a group, it's always going to be in your dashboard already.